was it 6-4? 6-5.
Woo!
5-4.
No, it's 6-5.
6-5. Okay, last chance. 15 seconds to go.
And we have the ball, right? We don't have the ball?
No, they got the ball right here. Yeah, they call timeout with the ball. 15 seconds. Defense! Seconds! No, it was outside. Get the ball. Oh! They win it! Yeah!
Time out! Game over!
Playoffs, baby! Job, suckers!
Good game, guys! Woo! Way to play, defense!
That was a great game, though. No doubt.
And we lost even one score.
Well, we had no reserves.
Yeah.
That's, fault but our own.
Get it in here. And they would have no subs.
Victorious Saugus.